Hey guys.
Hi guys, so my name is Roby and this is Purple Bee and this is my handsome nephew,
David.
David. So today we are going to unbox this gift from Uncle Scott and it's called
S'mores to Love.
S'mores to Love. Yay! Okay, David, so yeah, unbox it and show what's inside. Ooh. So cute. So what we got there? Yay! So it comes with this beautiful s'mores tray, and then I think that's the recipe. Can I have it, please? Okay. S'mores to Love. Perfect s'mores anywhere in just
5 minutes.
5 minutes! That's so exciting! Do you love s'mores?
I've eaten them in a long time.
Oh my gosh! So it's time for us to have s'mores. After all, you did great today in your homework. Great job. Okay, so probably we can do the one in the oven. Okay. So it says here, so we're going to show you how to make s'mores. So we're using the S'mores to Love. We have that tray. And then, what do we have here, David?
Honey made crackers.
Yay! The graham squares. It's perfect for s'mores. And then we have here some
Hershey's.
Hershey's! Do you like Hershey's?
What is this piece of just ate it?
Good job. He already ate the other Hershey's piece from Grandma. And then we have
The mushrooms.
the what?
The mushrooms.
Marshmallows. But it's not called marshmallows, but it's s'mores mallows. Yay! This is perfect square.
But it's just
Perfect.
marshmallows.
It's marshmallow. It's marshmallows. It's marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
It's marshmallows.
Ah, God.
So they made something just for s'mores. So those are the 3 things we need. So once again, we have the marshmallows, we have the
The crackers.
graham crackers, and we have the
Hershey's.
Hershey's chocolate bar. So now you might need a plate and you also need
The paper towels.
paper towels just in case you want to wipe. So I'm excited. So it says here that we need to open it first. So let's open it. Can we open it, David? Did you do it? Yes.
Yes.
Ah, look at that. That's so cool. And each square it says S'mores to Love. So exciting.
No, don't hurt yourself.
Okay, Dad. Sorry.
I know, Dad.
Alright, so now load the ingredients into the wire pockets. Begin by placing 1/2 graham crackers on the bottom of a wire. Okay, so we'll open our grahams
Yeah.
and start putting it. Ooh, that looks so yummy.
This is but I think I think one of those crackers.
Yeah. So shall we begin putting 6 in? Okay, we're gonna be putting it here so it's easy. There you go. piece of chocolate on top of the graham crackers. We suggest 1 to 5. Okay, so now we begin.
I go open it.
Okay,
Uh,
thank you. Shall we place 10,000 chocolate?
6.
6, okay. I can work with that.
Shall we do it?
2, yeah. 2.
2?
Because we're awesome! And we need more extra chocolate! Yes! Yeah. Please. Oh, okay. So, one of this, you can make 6. It's good for 6 s'mores. S'more sandwiches.
S'mores. Yeah.
Okay. Great. And then, next tab.
What?
Place a marshmallow on top of the chocolate and cover with another graham crackers. Okay. These are so good.
Well, at least you can waste more spices since the delicious process start all a little gooey.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be yummy. Awesome! There's gonna be a good adjective coming. Fantastic! You rock! You're the best! Great job! Yay! I'm so excited! We're on our final batch. So put the remaining, and then then we cover it with the grams. Yeah, we can do it this time, honey. It's gonna be covered. Yeah.
So this is good. Been taking out like 1 hour and 2 minutes. 1 hour and 2 minutes.
Not really. We'll find out how many minutes should we put this.
And hours.
Oh my G. It's just gonna be like 4 minutes until the marshmallows are cooked and softened.
So this video is 1 hour and 2 minutes.
Not really 1 hour, but it's just for a few minutes. Just make sure it's even because we're gonna close it now. I'm a little scared, but hopefully it's gonna be perfect.
I hope so.
You're perfect. Easy. You can do this.
Just,
Oh, okay. Yeah, just move a little. Yes, look at this, you guys. Look at this. We locked it. And now it's ready to go to the oven for
4 minutes.
4 hours. No, kidding. 4 minutes. We'll be right back.
Hey guys.
Hi guys. So we're back, and we already removed the marshmallows, or sorry, the s'mores from the oven. We let it stay there for 4 minutes and in 300 degrees. Or in 300, yeah, 300 degrees. Okay, so now we are ready. So we cool it off for 2 minutes. So, you know, just to make sure that it's cooled off and it's safe to eat and you're not gonna get burned. So, you're ready to open it.
Nice. Be careful.
Thank you.
Alright. Oof. Is that gonna work?
Okay, hold this and I'm gonna take care of it, okay? So we use this.
It's working. It's working.
Okay. Alright, yes! Yay! So now we're just gonna put it here on our plate for serving. Look at that, it's melting! So good. Easy. Yeah!
Alright, just one more.
Thank you, David.
Alright.
Alright, so this is our finished product and it's time for taste test. Okay. So.
Does that look good?
Yeah.
Ooh, which one do I take?
Ooh,
That one's a great
gooey.
big one.
Whoa. Okay, we'll get
Good.
it. Good. And it's explosive. Explosive. Okay, let's try it, David.
Alright.
Mmm. Messy and yummy. Show it to the camera.
Are you sure this is safe?
Mm-hmm. Yummy and gooey. So that's all, guys. See ya. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope you try it and you enjoy it. Bye. Mwah.